Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to share two sales pages with you which are built on the Funnelish, and they are almost same, but the product is little bit different. But I thought to make one video for both pages. Okay, so this is the page one, which is for the Google review stand, and you can see the first section, and these bundles are created with the coding, and you can see price are changing. Okay, not only price but also the link of the button also changing whatever the offer customer will select. Let's say if they select the 2 Zappy cards, there will be the different link for the button, and if they select the 5 Zappy cards, there will be different link for this button, which will change automatically at the back end with the coding. Okay, so it's helpful. So let's say if you want to send the customer from the Funnelish to the Shopify checkout page, but most of the clients want that they want to send the customer to the Shopify checkout page with the offer they already selected on the product page, so that is really helpful. Okay, so this thing, and after that you can see this part, few reviews here. There's a slider for the reviews, and then this text done with the coding, and this part, and you can see it's really well designed. If you want to purchase this template for your product, you can contact me. Again, this is the slider for the reviews. You can add 2 more videos here if you want, otherwise you can delete these. Okay, and that's how the reviews slider will look like. Then more reviews, and then there is table. Okay, FAQ, and more reviews like in a Shopify style, and then this is the footer. So let me show you its mobile view. So you can see on top there is slider. Okay, and then this part, and here you can see the bundles are bit different in design on the mobile device, but on the phone device you can see, but it's really good. And then this part, again reviews, the scrolling text, and this review slider. And if you go down, more reviews, the table, comparison table, and FAQ, more reviews, you can see, and then buttons. So that's the phone view, and that's the desktop view. Now let's move to the sales page number 2. First, let me show you the desktop version. So it's a Google service card. Okay, and here you can see there is a different style for the bundles. Okay, again links are updating on the button whatever the offer they will select here. Now again, slider, image slider, a review, more information about the product, a comparison table, you can say, reviews. These are the 4 reviews, and there's no slider on here, but if you want we can turn this to slider as well if you have more videos. Again, this part, this is, again we put the, like you can say, bundles here in different design, and then reviews, few FAQs, really designed with the drop shadow, and then last section with the offer and the footer. Okay, so these are the buttons. Let me show you on the phone view, slider. Okay, and then this time the bundles have same design on the phone, button, review. You can see you can add your video of your product, how it work, like, then a comparison table, with the drop shadow. Reviews on phone, it's in slider, and then the spot, then offers, you can see Facebook reviews and FAQ. And after that, offer again, and then photo. So that's the phone view and that's the desktop view. If you are interested in purchasing this template for your product, you can contact me. Or if you need just one sales page, let's say if you need this one, you can get one as well. Okay, if you need both, then I can make a bundle price for them. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can put in the comment. And these are built on the new version of the Funnelish version 2. And it like I build the funnels in such a way that whatever you will update on the desktop, it will automatically update on the phone and the tablet. Okay, so they are all connected. If you make any change on the desktop, the changes will automatically take place on the phone. Okay, in some cases, in very rare cases, you need to update few elements or few things on the mobile or the phone, if you change something on desktop, but in very rare case. So if you are interested in purchasing this, if you want to learn the Funnelish version 2, you can also check my other videos. So I have tons I have I have tons of templates for the Funnelish Checkout Champ and the Gempages. You can contact me, you can see all of my videos on the YouTube, and if you need any template, you can contact me. Thank you.